can see road rollers, and today is my task to change the oil lift.
Chalo, open open the door. This is the fuel pump. Now we dismantle the lift pump and to identify the what is the problem in this pump. Actually, the problem of this in the pump, there is minor pressure reduction at end of the nozzle. So pipeline of the diesel tank, and this is a lift pump. Some error in this problem. I think inner side of bush will be repaired, and the purpose of lift pump to push the diesel from diesel tank and transferred to this hoses via filter, and then move to diesel pump. Diesel pump pressurize the diesel and transfer to via these lines to engine. This. These are injectors. These are injectors. So now we dismantle the lift pump. Dismantle the lift pump for purpose of the changing the bush at the upper cap. Okay. You can see this is the filter hoses line. Okay, that is dismantled. What's problem in this lift pump?
Bush.
Okay, this bush, this one. And what is the problem at this spring? Okay, this one, this bush will be cause to leakage.
Okay.
And now we maintain or prepare this bush.